Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make Meteor text effect in CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for busy. For example, I'm going to add this background template, and then I'm going to fill the background. Just click fill in the video, and you can I select style background. Just example, I want to select this background, and then I'm going to add text. Just click text, default text, for example, and resize just for position and duration like this. So and I am going to add Meteor effect. Just click effect, and you can find in spark effect. Here's just drag here, and just for a duration like this. So here we go. Okay, you can adjust for the atmosphere and speed like this. So here we go. That's how to add Meteor text effect and CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and a short thanks. Bye bye.